Okay.
I'm going to show you how much I believe in this product. I'm going to drill a hole in this tire and use Screw Flat Easy tire repair kit to fix it. Okay, what you want to do is find what screw matches up to the size hole that you have in your tire. What you want to do is put your screw in your glue. Okay. What you want to do is insert it into your hole until it's flush. Okay. It's totally flush. What this will do is it's a tapered screw and it actually cuts into your tire, and when the screw gets hot it melts and it seals the hole. That's how easy this product is.